Jesus appears to his disciples in Galilee. After the resurrection, the disciples were still unsure, still processing the wonder of it all. One morning they went back to where it all began, the Sea of Galilee. They climbed into their boat, hoping that fishing would help ease their restless hearts. All night they toiled, but caught nothing. As morning light broke over the waves, a man stood on the shore. They didn't recognize him, but he called out to them with guidance. They cast their net again. This time the net was overflowing. The miracle stirred their hearts. One of them whispered, "It is the Lord." Without hesitation, Peter jumped into the water. He couldn't wait. His heart longed to be near Jesus. On the shore, a warm fire crackled. Fish was already cooking. Jesus was waiting, not with judgment, but with breakfast. The disciples sat in silence, overwhelmed. Their risen Lord was there, close, real, and kind. He broke the bread, served them, and their hearts were full. In that simple meal, on that quiet morning, the disciples knew Jesus was alive, and he still called them, still loved them, still had a mission for them. From Galilee, the disciples would go to the ends of the earth, because once you meet the risen Jesus, everything changes. Don't miss more Bible stories. Subscribe now. God bless you, dear kids.